I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have Outlook open and a message ready. First, confirm recipients and type a clear subject so the flag means something. Next, look at the message ribbon or the Compose toolbar. That is where you mark importance. Do this now to signal urgency. Once done, write a concise first sentence explaining why it's urgent. This helps recipients triage faster and improves your chance of a prompt response. Now set high importance using the appropriate control. On Outlook desktop, click the message ribbon, then the red exclamation. On Outlook on the web, open the More Actions menu and choose Set Importance High. Do this before sending so the flag is attached. Also, include a one-line reason near the top of the message explaining the deadline or consequence. This combination, flag plus context, helps recipients prioritize correctly and reduces skepticism about. Finish by sending the message and immediately check your sent folder to verify the red exclamation appears. That confirms the flag was applied. If a recipient still treats it as normal mail, follow up with a brief Teams message or quick call to ensure action. If flags aren't visible, remind them some clients hide importance markers. Ask them to check message options. Finally, use high importance sparingly. Excessive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.